Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the history of chocolate. Chocolate is one of the world's most popular treats, enjoyed by millions of people around the globe. But how did this delicious treat come to be? In this video, we will delve into the rich and fascinating history of chocolate, from its ancient origins to the modern-day industry. The origins of chocolate, 2000 BCE to 500 CE. Chocolate has its origins in Mesoamerica, where the ancient Maya and Aztec civilizations first cultivated cacao trees. The cacao beans were used in religious ceremonies, as well as a form of currency and a drink consumed by the elite. The drink was bitter and spicy, often flavored with ingredients like chili peppers and vanilla. We will explore the importance of chocolate in these ancient cultures and how it was first consumed. Chocolate comes to Europe, 1500s. Spanish conquistadors brought chocolate back to Europe in the 16th century. At first, it was consumed mainly by royalty and the wealthy. Sugar was added to the drink, making it sweeter and more appealing to European tastes. We will examine how chocolate became popular in Europe and how it was consumed and produced. The industrialization of chocolate, 1700s to 1800s. The invention of machines for grinding and refining cacao beans led to the mass production of chocolate. Chocolate bars and other confections became more widely available and affordable. Chocolate became associated with Valentine's Day, and the first chocolate boxes were sold in the mid-1800s. We will discuss the innovations in technology and marketing that revolutionized the chocolate industry. The rise of the chocolate industry, 1900s, present. Chocolate production became a global industry, with countries like Switzerland and Belgium becoming known for their high-quality chocolate. Milk chocolate was invented in Switzerland in the early 1900s, making chocolate even more popular. Today, chocolate is enjoyed in many different forms, from chocolate bars and truffles to hot cocoa and chocolate-covered pretzels. We will examine the evolution of the chocolate industry and the cultural significance of chocolate in different parts of the world. Chocolate has a rich and fascinating history, spanning thousands of years and multiple cultures. From its humble beginnings in Mesoamerica to the modern-day global industry, chocolate has come a long way. We hope this video has given you a new appreciation for the rich history and tradition behind this beloved treat. Thanks for watching.